you have to open up ChatGPT, and once you open up ChatGPT, you are going to see something like this. From here, you need to come down, click on this plus button, and here you can see upload from computer. So you need to upload your image that you want to use. So once you click on this, it's going to take you to your device where you can select the image you want to use. So let's say this is my image. So I'll click on the image to select, click on open, and here is the image. So for this, I'm going to type generate this image in a pizza style. The first style I want to use for this is called pizza style. So once you type in this, then you need to send it. Then you scroll down and it's going to start generating, and you can see this is the first outcome. This is the first pizza style image that was generated. So now you can go again. You don't need to upload any image again. All you have to do is to type the next style you want the ChatGPT-4o to generate for you. So you can type generate in Ghibli style. After some time, it's going to generate that style for you. Then you come down again, any other style you want to use, you can simply type generate in Looney Tunes style. So it's going to generate that particular style for you. So there are so many number of styles that you can generate your image from. I'm going to leave those styles on the screen so that you can copy that and then generate your images. You can also turn this image to your own channel avatar. You can see from the beginning of this video, you see that avatar that was talking, that was my own avatar generated using this particular method. If you want your image to be in a landscape size, that is the 16 by 9 aspect ratio, then after typing generate in any style, you need to add the extension use 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and it's going to give you your image in a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.